Hello and welcome to the Paper Cup Travel Carry-On Edition. Today we are in Copenhagen, staying at the Copenhagen Strand Hotel in room 3308. These are key entry, and when we enter the room you'll see it is a European sized room, which is quite cozy. Immediately to your left in this room is the washroom, where you find your shower with the rain shower, handheld, obviously a bathtub, toilet, sink, mirror, hair dryer. Out here you'll find a tinted full-length mirror, double bed, table for some writing, chair for sitting. I'll show you the view in a moment. Just a little hangar area. Over here you have a fridge, which is for purchase. Down here you'll find your coffee, tea, and then in here is the safe if you want to store your passport and such. You do have outlets all over the room, and they are all the standard European outlets. So don't forget your adapters or USB ports. And then here is the view from this room. If you're standing out in this little triangle, you do get a little view of the water, but looks like all the rooms do. There is no AC in this room, so it does come with a Dyson fan, which pumps out a lot of air, circulates nicely. So if you sleep with the window open, you shouldn't have too much trouble. All right, well, that's the other thing, is they come with 2 single comforters, which was kind of strange. But apparently it's normal here in Copenhagen, or in Denmark, sorry. Thank you for watching this quick room tour of 3308's Copenhagen Strand. As always, if you enjoy these videos, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment.